You ever notice how choosing a vacuum feels like picking a soulmate? You've got the Dyson V12 Detect Slim, the overachiever with its fancy laser that finds dust you didn't even know existed. Then there's the Shark Vertex, your loyal friend that tackles pet hair like a pro. But wait, the Tineco Pure one? It's like that tech-savvy buddy who adjusts to your needs. And the Miele Triflex? Fancy, but do you really want to lift weights while cleaning? Meanwhile, the Hoover 1 PWR is your budget bestie, while the LG Cord Zero, it's got a dust compactor, like a vacuum with a gym membership. So, what's your vacuum vibe?